Area I throw salute and I dey welcome for football in Pidgin after match talk am how you see am. Bournemouth 0 and Arsenal 3 and we get Oga Shozzy wey be like say na ogbonge Arsenal fan make him come tell us about how he see the game. Oga Shozzy, you don already dey smile even before I ask you how you see the game. Now wetin you get to talk about this Arsenal performance because last week you talk say Gabriel Jesus signing na 10/10 but wetin you get to talk about this performance from Arsenal today?
Just like wetin I talk last time, the team na dream team, na promising team, and today match they deliver again. 3 point clean sheets, 3 goals. You know say those new signings and only 2 now don play. So if those 2 now don't give this kind big effect, that na to tell you say the rest ones and when they sign sef go bring more effect. So to me this match they try, they deliver. Wetin they play na wetin I expect. I was expecting clean sheets, they deliver for me. I dey expect 3 points, they give me, and even goals sef they still give me. So they play where they try.
All right, I make I ask you about this kind of start where Arsenal don't start now. We dey see teams like Liverpool now, they never start well. Manchester United too, they never see start well too. But what do you get about the battle for the Premier League this season? Because some Arsenal fans don't already dey talk say make them watch out for Arsenal for the Premier League. You dey among that part of Arsenal fans when you say make them watch out for Arsenal, I mean make we come on mind.
I no go write Arsenal off. I no go write Liverpool off. Because one thing about football, experience counts, qualities of players still counts. You know, say like Liverpool now, Liverpool dey struggle. You know if you write Liverpool out because when it matters most, Liverpool go always come because of the quality of players wey they get. Somebody like what they call am Mane, Mane don comot, Salah dey there, Thiago dey there, Matt and the rest, the Arnold they dey there. So you see all those players they get experience wey be say they go bring come even at the dying minutes wey be say they need them most. Some clubs they not get am. Why be say some clubs na that time wey be say you need them most, and then they fit dey deliver. Na wetin Arsenal do last season. They try, but when they supposed to take that top 4 position, they not fit. So to me, I not fit write Arsenal off. I not go fit write Liverpool off right now because Liverpool na big team. For the world self, they be big team. Champions League holder, Premier League holder, and the rest there. So to me, I not fit write Arsenal off, and I cannot write Liverpool off because of their bad form. But Manchester United, I not fit say I go write them off, but for that top 4, man, you not go see them.
All right, make I ask you about this start now. Some people talk saying that initial gragra, IGG in Arsenal they do right now. Saying that so Arsenal they start well for some season, then later once the season on they go far. Those time when it matter most now, Arsenal no go fit perform again. What do you get to talk about that one?
And sometimes those people they're not they wrong because experience na experience, whether you take them or not, experience na experience. But the only way we say Arsenal go fit go that top 4 or finish the league. Now say not be to sign players if the players go fit adapt to it. And again, Arsenal this their signings with these 2 way don they play well. Chizenko they impress me. Gabriel self they impress me. Jesus self they impress me. So if you see these qualities of these players, they try. So basically, I dey feel say if Arsenal fit manage what they get, you see that start where they start now, they go use am well. Then not be just to start, that be the thing. How you manage your first and second player 11 players because Arsenal go play Europa. They will play Cali Cup, they will play FA Cup, they will still play Premier League. Injuries go come. If you check Arsenal like those 4 games last season, now injuries wey kill them. Thomas Partey not call the play, Tenny not call the play, some other people not call the play. So if you want sign player, make sure say na players wey be say even though they not even dey first level, but they dey the team, not be injury players and now Arsenal go sign. So now that one go fit make Arsenal go far. Like this one they say na initial graga, now wetin they play, wetin they expect now they play. Now when injury come, before you go see their lapses.
Now you dey talk about injury now and squad depth. Now what you dey talk about now? And you talk about some of the signings where Arsenal don't bring in already. We never play. People like Fabio Vieira, even the young talent Marquinhos from Brazil too. That one still there. That one another signing. Even the goalkeeper too from US, Matt Turner too. We never see what he go do for the Premier League. With the squad where Arsenal get currently, if transfer window close today, you think say Arsenal go fit push, or you want to see more players coming before the transfer window go end?
Just like what we dey talk, Arsenal, make I just say their first 11 now, na 8/10. This is why they say first 11 na 8/10. like the top 9 dey excellent. The midfield not too choke well the way I want am. I feel say their defence is okay. You understand, because when you dey get somebody like Tenny, you get Zizenko for there, then you go there, you get Cedric, you get Tomiyasu. You understand, so those ones that dey okay. Then you see Ben White, you see Gabriel for there, Saliba dey there, Rob Holding sef dey there, so those ones dey still choke. But you know the reason why I thought say the midfield never choke well, because last season when we need Thomas Partey most, Thomas Partey called dey get injury, so that make me talk say that midfield never choke. Therefore our wing right now na Martinelli and Saka na be the only winger, and injury come now, those two players dey go disappear. So for now those ones dem no go fit deliver.
So wetin you dey talk now, so oga Shozzy say Arsenal still need midfielder, they still need winger?
Yes, so Arsenal, you know, say for the first time I first say Arsenal need more players because of the numbers of competition wey be say Arsenal get. You see those two wing, because of England wey dey play, at least knows your wingers and make them sharp so that they fit dey make crosses, they fit dey dribble. Because if your midfield sef dey still dey try, at least your winger make them chase sharp. Number one, they dey sharp to deliver. Number two, they dey sharp because of injury. Because you see this Premier League, so e get some defenders dem na just to keep person for leg na be wetin dey sabi. So if we get those sharp wingers dem join the squad wey we get, I no dey talk say go buy a big name o, but make you buy somebody wey be say if you call upon am e go fit deliver. Even though sef e dey sit down for bench, but when you need am mostly, make e come up. Na be that midfield and the wingers dem.
All right, now before I go let you go now, oga Shozzy, I wan ask you. Today now, Nicolas Pepe, Ivorian winger, not dey for the Arsenal squad because they talk say in dey for talks with French League One side Nice, say he wan go loan for there. How you see that decision? Because this player now plenty money, block money Arsenal take sign am, but the transfer no come go well the way many people dey expect am, because many people were expecting when he come Arsenal he go score plenty goals, he go give plenty assists. But what do you think about this decision to loan Pepe go Nice?
The club dey do the right thing, because why I say the club dey do the right thing, not be to carry big name come the club na matters. Wetin really matter now na say na the progress of the club, and to me Nicolas Pepe never deliver. So if the club wan carry am go loan for more experience and for more play time.
But the loan wey you wan go now, so buyout clause dey, na be say if you dey go this loan, the chances say you go come back to Arsenal dey very low.
If you wan go make go, the reason why me dey talk say if you wan go make go, because that role wey Saka dey play naturally na Pepe get am. So for Saka to come collect that role from him hand, e mean say e no dey deliver now. You understand? E mean say e no dey deliver, and I no go fit rely on Saka and Pepe for that role. So I fit just put Saka for there. Okay, you dey there. I need another person wey I need, so not be Pepe. So if you wan go with a good price, make it go, because na big money na Arsenal take sign am. But even though sef say e no get more play time, e wan go, make e go. E good make player comot for the club. I say player go dey club, e no dey happy because of the national team and some other things dem.
All right now, oga Shozzy, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.